Hi guys, morning of day 2 on the Mito challenge. Gotta say I slept so amazing last night, almost 9 hours. It was deep REM sleep. I didn't wake up once. I really needed it and it was extremely beneficial. I feel amazing today. I've been using the cream on my face. Every morning I live out in the country and I shower the hard water that we use out here that we can't get away from. Really affects the sunspots on my face, and the cream has helped significantly. As you can tell, it is really significant. I didn't even use the Aquaphor that I have to use every morning to be able to, really the only thing that I can use on my face that can mitigate those spots throughout the day, but all it does is just relieve the pain. It doesn't cure it, and this has been huge. Also from a mental clarity standpoint with the drops, I just feel amazing. So I'm really looking forward to the future on this and continuing to feel the way that I feel and continuing to progress. But I definitely can back right now what the Mito challenge and what the Mito says that it can do for you. So look forward to updating you later. Have a great day.